Gusto ko magka-billboard sa EDSA.
Oh. Hi Ren, mag-slam book lang tayo today. So, nickname?
Ren and Nanan. Sometimes Nan.
Favorite subject?
Oh, science and history.
Favorite animal?
Dogs and cats.
Favorite color?
Ngayon, I think, oh my gosh, ang hirap, yellow.
Favorite food?
Truffle pasta.
Favorite music?
Lahat ng Taylor Swift. Lahat. Yes, 50.
Okay. Favorite singer, alam ko na.
Taylor Swift.
Favorite movie?
Oh my gosh, ang hirap niyan. Pero kung ano na lang yung nasa isip ko ngayon, Grave of the Fireflies, Ghibli.
How about TV series?
TV series. Ang dami. Kung ano na lang din yung nasa isip ko ngayon. Peaky Blinders.
Book? Favorite book?
Book? Meron akong binabasa ngayon and few pages pa lang yung nababasa ko. Sobrang nagtiteary-eye na ako. And Before the Coffee Gets Cold.
Ito, favorite celebrity, local tsaka Hollywood? International.
Local Vilma Santos. Hollywood, Anya Taylor-Joy. And Cillian Murphy.
Superhero?
Wonder Woman.
Cartoon character?
Courage the Cowardly Dog.
Your hobbies?
Ano ba? Siguro manood ng movies and series kasi parang workshop ko na din yun. So yeah, watching movies and series.
Okay, your role model?
Yung mga tao nag-fail sa life na part ng family, sila yung role model ko kasi nakikita ko sa kanila kung paano sila natuto. So, in that case, marami akong nakita ng mga hindi dapat at dapat kong gawin. So, yeah, sila yung role model ko. And I'm not gonna mention kung sino sila, but yun. Describe
yourself in one word.
Dreamer.
What is love?
True love na lang. True love is sacrifice.
Ambition in life?
To be successful and gusto ko magka-billboard sa EDSA.
Oh,
yeah.
Claiming it. Last two questions. What are you grateful for?
Of course, family and so work. Kasi yun naman yung nagpapalakas sa akin to begin with and you know to keep going. Yeah. My goals.
Ito last question. On a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the highest, how satisfied are you with your life?
Right now?
Yeah.
I would say 7. Getting there but not yet. Papunta pa lang. Malayo na pero malayo pa. Something like that.
Okay, so do you have like any social media accounts or movies, TV series to promote?
Yes, Instagram, Twitter and TikTok at RealRhen, RealRhen, and on TikTok, RealRhen Ascanio with H, RealRhen Ascanio. And of course, Lumuhod Ka sa Lupa, 7:30 PM before Batang Quiapo on TV5.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.